Okay, we're working on a 2017 XE Jaguar. We're gonna attempt to do key cloning. In this case, it's a customer have this kind of key. We're gonna do an Autel universal. First, you want to do is generate the right universal key. In the United States, we use the 315. We're gonna prepare a key. Meanwhile, we have the IM, we have the XP400, and we have the customer key. We're gonna go automatic selection. We're gonna put the key slot is right here, next to the steering wheel. Place the car in position. Key cloning. So we're first gonna wait for the key to be processed. We're gonna have customer key ready to be read in the XP400. So the key is now processed. We're gonna hit key cloning. We're not gonna do all key lost, but if you don't have a customer key, you should press all key lost. When we do key cloning regularly, it's going to read the customer key to make sure it's not getting erased. The new key must be an Autel key, so we have an Autel key. Place a learned key in the key sensing area. Okay. Okay, current key ID successfully. Do you want to continue? So basically asking if we have another key. I don't have another key. Check that the programmer is currently connected and place the add key sensing of the programmer. We're gonna put the new key inside and we're gonna press OK. Generating dealer key. Dealer generated successfully. You can take the key out and off the bat it works just like that. Simple and easy. Job is done. You can do it in all key lost or add a key situations.